I can't tell if I'm crazy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks to make braiding your natural fussy hair easy and seamless. So yeah, these are all the things I use on my hair. First, I'm going in with this. The first tip would be to wet your hair, so get a spray bottle and sprinkle a little bit of water, then go in with a leave-in conditioner. It helps make your hair smooth and easy to handle. Second tip, always make sure you put your hair into braids or twists before you sleep. It prevents your hair from matting. Guess so it's soft enough. So I use a cotton comb because that's what I use. When you're trying to part your hair into sections, you should use a comb that is easy for you to handle and preferably small in your hand, and also your elbow should be rested on a counter. Always stand in front of a mirror or sit in front of a mirror or chair, makes it easier.
I wish I could ignore what the news is saying. Take a break, my secret weapon.
Another trick is, while you're cutting your hair into sections, always feel for the line you're dividing. So if you notice in the video, while I'm demarcating my hair, I'm literally touching my scalp as I'm sectioning the hair, so it helps make the line a little bit straighter. Fun fact, I'm not really a big fan of using so much edge control or hair wax on my hair. It actually breaks your hair a lot, so I try to use as little as possible.
Doesn't matter if I'm dead. If you're dead, your daughter's dead. We're all
the first one. Another tip is always trust the process. While you're braiding, have a brush, and if you're an edge control person, then go in with an edge control. It helps make your hair look sleek, or it helps you slick your hair down and all those things. And take your pattern little by little while you're feeding in more hair to the braids you already got, because your hair isn't chemically processed, it's natural hair. So if you take a huge chunk, it makes it really hard for you to handle. And if you do that, then you need to go in with a comb and comb it out to make it smoother, which is what I did at this part. Comb again because it was getting so big. Can you see the difference, you guys? So while you're busy braiding the other side, the other half of your hair could be dry. Don't hesitate to go in with a spray bottle or more leave-in conditioner and just make it wet. It makes it really easy to handle. Check out that part, guys. That was clean. So don't forget to take a much needed break whenever you're braiding. Your arms could get really hurt at this point. you guys. So guys, I'm through. Let me just see the back. I know. Thank you. So yeah, now to my cream. I use TCP Naturals. So I've got this in Nourishing Hair Food. It has lanolin, vitamin E, and protein. Hopefully you can see it. This is also TCP Indian Herbs Hair Food with castor oil. I mix both, and then I used to use the leave-in conditioner on my hair before, but I stopped. So basically it strengthens the hair, prevents it from breakage, and makes it softer for me to like be able to handle. I don't think it works in the growth aspect, which is where TCB comes in. So yeah, I mix this and this. Boom. So yeah, with the brown, mix it. And the last trick would be to oil your hair. So once I'm through with showering and just taking care of my body, then I'll take this off.